Is your 2.4 GHz network on your Spectrum router not working correctly? You're not alone. Many users experience connectivity problems like slow speeds, dropped signals, or devices failing to connect. This is often due to interference, outdated router firmware, or incorrect settings. Don't worry, we'll walk you through the most common fixes. Spectrum routers, even those from brands like Aris, Netgear, or TP-Link provided by Spectrum, can often be fixed by splitting SSIDs, adjusting channels, and optimizing bandwidth settings. The 2.4 GHz band is prone to interference from household devices like microwaves and cordless phones. Here's a diagram showing adjacent channel interference. You can access your router settings through the interface, typically at 192.168.0.1, to check and adjust your network name and other parameters. As of Q3 2025, Spectrum has reduced customer complaints about dual-band connectivity by 15% through app-based diagnostics and auto-optimization. However, manual fixes are still crucial, especially for older routers that may not receive automatic updates. Let's get into the solutions. First, consider splitting your SSIDs. This means creating separate network names for the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, like Spectrum Home 2.4G and Spectrum Home 5G. This lets you manually connect older devices that only support 2.4 GHz, preventing connection issues. Next, optimize your channel selection. The 2.4 GHz band has limited non-overlapping channels, 1, 6, and 11. Use a Wi-Fi analyzer app on your smartphone to see which channels are least congested in your area, or set your router to auto-select. Finally, adjust your bandwidth. For 2.4 GHz, a 20 MHz bandwidth is generally more stable and less prone to interference than 40 MHz. You can access these settings by logging into your router's admin panel, usually at 192.168.0.1. Remember to check for firmware updates and power cycle your router after making changes. If problems persist, Spectrum's support or virtual assistants can further assist.